Ready? Start. Appointed by the government who goes to the various states, finds out the position and then makes a recommendation or a report which is considered by the government of India, the state governments and others. There ought to be a separate officer for the purpose of finding out the position so far as the linguistic minorities are concerned. Stop. On behalf of government, an assurance was given that this question would be duly considered by the government of India, and if they find that the appointment of such an officer would be useful to the interests of the linguistic minorities, then such an officer would be appointed. Stop. However, I would point out that so far as statutory guarantees are concerned, I would desire that these guarantees should not be insisted upon, because after all we have to develop a sense of oneness. Stop. In any state and every state there are bound to be linguistic minorities, and their attempt ought to be to completely harmonize themselves with the majority community. Stop. The majority community has also to be generous so far as the legitimate rights of these people are concerned. Stop. So, this process of mental approach towards each other would perhaps the halted or at least adversely affected if such guarantees are given. Stop. We would then think more and more of the guarantees and of the enforcement of these guarantees through the courts of law or otherwise. Stop. This will result in the relations getting embittered and will be harmful to the ultimate interests of the nation. Stop. This is what might be found to a certain extent in the states reorganization bill. Stop. This question will be considered at a greater length when the Constitution 9th Amendment Bill comes before the House for consideration. Stop. Stanza. So far as the services are concerned, some attempts have been made to lay down the general principles. Stop. There are only two All India services, namely the IAS and the IPS. Stop. These are the only two All India services, and what has been decided is that there would be fresh cadres so far as the new states are concerned, and officers would be transferred from one cadre to another after taking all the relevant circumstances into account. The requirements of the states and also the work that these officers and carried on. Stop. That process would be completed after the work is started. Stop. The work has to go on and the process would be complete as early as possible. Stop. As far as the state services are concerned, certain principles have been laid down. Stop. One such principle is that In the case of a whole state merging with another bigger state, all the officers at various levels will be carried over into that state. Stop. The difficulty arises when you have to deal with the question of the transfer of certain portions of a territory to one state and another portion to other states, as in the case of Andhra Pradesh and as in the case of Maharashtra. Stop. Over.